Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what you know, the account email, phone, or the Xbox/Minecraft gamer tag. First, go to Account, Microsoft. Com and choose Recover Your Account. Use the email or phone you remember. If you can't access them, click I don't have access and select the recovery form. Once done, fill the form with accurate details, recent passwords, billing address, and purchase dates, because Microsoft uses those to confirm ownership. Now focus on proving identity. Complete every field on the recovery form: spelling, past passwords, and Xbox gamer tags. Even approximate dates help. If prompted, attach a photo ID or payment receipts from your Microsoft Store or platform purchases. This speeds verification. Make sure you submit from a familiar device and network. Microsoft flags unusual sign-in patterns. Once submitted, watch the recovery email and be ready to respond to follow-up requests within 24-72 hours. After Microsoft verifies you, use the link they send to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique passphrase and save it in a manager. Once signed in, immediately update recovery email and phone, enable two-step verification, and review recent activity to remove unfamiliar devices. If the automated recovery fails, gather the case ID from your submission and contact Microsoft support through the account recovery flow. Keep receipts and ID handy. Tip: if something breaks, clear browser cache or try a private window before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.